A lot of us can think our relationship with money and finances, anything of monetary value in that way, is purely practical. Earn more, spend less, save better. But money is a very emotional and psychological thing also. For many of us, money represents safety. For others, freedom. For some of us, it may represent status, control, success, or survival itself. This is where the psychology of our relationship to money can play quite an overwhelming part in our life, aside from the practical necessity of it. It's rarely just about numbers. It's about what these numbers seem to mean to us. Am I secure? Am I falling behind? Am I failing? Will I be okay? Modern life intensifies these questions constantly. We have a way of comparing lifestyles online and in person every single day. Bigger houses, better cars, more extravagant holidays, perfect routines and schedules. In this way, financial success and anything predominantly related to money can slowly become tied to our very identity, to our very reality, to what we truly believe is the truth. And as a result, many of us can begin living in a permanent, perpetual state of psychological scarcity, even when we technically have enough. But improving our relationships with money usually doesn't begin with hopping on the treadmill and beginning the hustle to become rich. It begins with a gentle awareness. An awareness that can calmly begin understanding our actual needs, separating survival from comparison. Learning the difference between comfort and endless consumption. It also means building trust with yourself. Tracking spending calmly instead of avoiding it entirely. Saving gradually instead of obsessively, or not saving at all. But also allowing ourselves enjoyment without guilt. Allowing flexibility with our finances, within reason. So a healthier relationship with money isn't about pretending money does not matter. It's not about pretending it is the be-all and end-all that will only provide happiness, meaning, purpose for life. Money does matter. But when every emotion becomes tied to financial performance, peace becomes almost impossible to find. Money works best as a support system for life, not as the scoreboard for whether your life has value or not. Because whatever our financial situation may be, we will always have value. But allowing money to become more of an anchor, to healthily expand this value that we inherently are, will build more of an enjoyable and harmonious relationship to the money we have and experience in our life.